Hello everyone, hope everyone is doing great. Guys, so here it is the long awaited tutorial for the i7 Pro watch, and I'm gonna teach you how you can link it with the app of the i7 and how you can use the various function using the app itself from the mobile phone. So first, let me just take out these straps first so that it's gonna be easy for you guys to see too. So let me just take these out, and I'm gonna show you today how you can change the watch faces and everything on this watch, starting from the heart rate, messages, and everything, how it works with the app. So first, let's go to it works with both iOS and Android. So first, go to the Play Store or iOS store if you have that app store. So search here the app called Hi Watch. So this is the one, the Hi Watch. The purple one is gonna be the one that you're gonna be opening, and just download this one. So it's gonna take a while. Meanwhile, I can tell you guys how it's not that hard. It just you have to play around with the app to see, and also you have to sign up so you can check out the information about according your weight, how you can lose your weight, and how you can use this watch for your board purposes. So right now, if you see here, let me just see. Right now, it's not sync. It's just literally showing the status of the watch, and once it's gonna synchronize, it will show how this watch automatically. You don't have to change the time or anything if you already got the watch. So you're gonna be wondering how you can change the time. You don't have to, but just open it, press open, and then allow. If you want to get a notification, if you don't, then just don't allow it. Press this, agree the protocol, and some statements, agreement, and that's it. So right now it says three options: while using the app, only this time, or don't allow. So it's better to use while using the app. It's not gonna track you or anything. It's just gonna use a precise location to calculate your body and everything. So right now, if you trying to refresh it, it says device is disconnected. So this is the part I'll be wondering how you can use it. So turn on the Bluetooth, and once you tap on it, go to the app itself. So here we gonna search for the watch. So this is the one, Watch 8. Just tap on it, and it's gonna pair. It's not gonna just connect it. You have to use the app to connect it. Just pair it. There you go. It's paired and everything. It's gonna only be using a speaker at the time if you just pair it. So we're gonna connect it using this app. So guys, once you download the app, this is the interface you're gonna be looking at. So right now we're gonna pair it. Once you connect it with the Bluetooth and everything, we're gonna see here right now it says 402, right? And it says 408, and the synchronization and pairing is gonna be evident once you connect it, and the time's gonna be the same. So let's do that first. And you see here it says bind devices to experience more features. That's the button you're gonna be looking at. Tap on it, and it will search. So it says Watch 8. So this is the one. It's the name of the same as the one that you paired it on the Bluetooth. Tap on it, and it will connect. There you go. So that's the sign. It's automatically updated. It's connected, and it says synchronized data is complete. So now it's paired. Simple is that. It's so easy. And from here you can track your sleep habits. And as I was telling you, you have to log in to create your profile for if you wanna manage your diet and everything, and how you can lose weight for your health purposes. So right now I'm gonna show what you can do, maneuver around. So what we can do is let's say we are taking selfie and we don't have somebody to capture a moment. How we can use that? So for that, we're gonna swipe up. Hold on. It's trying to bother me. Okay, so swipe up. gonna change it. I prefer this way. So we will go to the, oh, okay, let me show you. It's gonna see the weather. It's already synced, so that's how it's gonna show. Okay, so let me just show you camera, right? There you go. So there it is, right? So let's say we want to take a picture. So how are we gonna take a picture? It already took. So again, start. Press the start button to take a picture. Simple as that. So that's done. Now go back. Now what? See what we else? Oh, well, let me just tell you more about it. How you can enable the push messages for the certain apps that are already in it. So turn on for WhatsApp, allow, open. Hold on. It's gonna ask for the access. So watch, turn it on, allow. That's it. That's all you have to do. Once it's done, we can go back to the app, turn on for the WhatsApp. We can turn on for the, hold on. Yeah, there you go. WhatsApp is done. Then what else we have over here? It's Facebook and Twitter. Facebook, Twitter, whatever your watch posts, it will show like the status or incoming call you can receive using this. Or you can either use a dial pad to call. So that's done. And now to the interesting part, which is dial setting. What is dial setting? Dial setting is the place where you can change the images, the face, watch faces, interactive. So you see how cute these are. So choose either of. Let's say I like this one. So let's go. Hold up. Where did the panda go? Where's the panda? Let me see. You see how many are there? There are so much. Okay, this is the panda one, but I was looking for the orange one. Let's see. Where is that one? Oh, okay, so wow, it's keep changing. It's keep updating. It's too many of them. So that's a good thing. You already have how many? Let me just see. How many guys we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7, something like that. So, and then plus we have these. So, okay, so here's the panda. So you're just gonna tap on it, change the wait a second. Where's my panda? Okay, never mind. Let's see. So you can choose where you want to put your date and time. So I will go with this one. So it will, so once you chose the way you want it, like this one, I want this one, the synchronizer. It will show also here that it's doing the same time. It's gonna take a time and we will have to wait. Okay, got it. You see, it's gonna take a little bit time, but once it's done, it's gonna be amazing. So just wait for it. So we so far we did how to pair a watch, first Bluetooth, then app, and then how we can use the app to capture images, how we can change watch faces, and the last thing is there are 2 more things, how we can see if somebody is calling and it will it show on the call to or not. So it's done right now. And you can see how the watch face changes, but that doesn't mean you can switch between the other 2. Don't worry, you can still do that. So that's how you can change the watch faces. And there's another thing that I want to show you guys. You can also use this to count your steps, or you can check your heart rate. So let me see where you can calculate, reevaluate. So if we go back, there's gonna be an option for the heart rate. There you go. So start measuring. As soon as you're gonna press it, you don't have to go in the app to do it directly. You see at the sensor at the back, it's doing it for you. Let me just put it here so that we can see how quickly it can change. Okay, so there you go. It shows everything, the oxygen level, everything, and here is the result for that. That's it. And the last but not the least, hope you guys are getting it, and I try to make it as simple as possible. Let's use to communicate with how we can talk and how we can attend the calls. So let's do it. Guys, the last part is how we can attend the call or see if it really works with the watch. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna call on this mobile phone, and let's see how it's gonna show on this one. Let's say if you don't have this nearby, you can still access use this one, and you can talk with this. You have speaker on this and microphone too, so you can call it. Simple as that. So let me just call on this one, and let's see how this goes. So let's go. You see how amazing this is. It's still showing on this one and on this one too. So if we pick it up, right, the same as like iPhone or phone, whatever. So you just tap on it. Let me just tap on it. Let's say if I don't tap on it, what's gonna happen? It's gonna just cancel it, and it's gonna show the notification. So I just you see here, it's a missed call. It's a WhatsApp notification that I missed a call. So let's say if I pick it up, right, how this gonna affect? Let's see the sound quality on this one. So I'm gonna pick it up, and let's. Hello. You can hear it, right? It's pretty good. It's the speaker as the here's the speaker. So you can see like I can talk to the person. There's a mic on it. So it's pretty amazing, I must say. So let's say I want to hang up, that's it. Voila. So hope guys you understood the today's tutorial, and there's another amazing unboxing at the end of this month. Guys, again, subscribe. I did set up the target for 1,000 subscribers at the end of January, and now it's February. We are still at 180 subscriber or 90, I believe. So I appreciate a lot that those are still a lot. People are believing. But if you want to grow as a family or show the positivity and more want me to show you the optimistic content and also entertain you guys, we have to come together and subscribe, guys. So let's see if you guys really love the content I create. So at least share it, and that will be really helpful for me. So guys, keep on subscribing and stay tuned for the next month's upcoming video. It's gonna be the biggest unboxing and reviewing video yet on this channel, and you guys will love it. It's a surprise, and posting every day keeps me motivated. So guys, I think we can do this, and love you guys, and just want to make sure like most of the stuff will be working, like the camera feature or something. You have to be in the app to make it work. So it's not like that if you are in the app, if you are in the app, right, like out of the app, the camera app not going to work, but the notification or other things you can receive, and for calculating and other functions, you have to be in the app of the watch. So at the end, guys, take care of yourself, your loved ones, and goodbye.